how to roll back to the Windows 10 from Windows 11. So to roll back to the Windows 10 from Windows 11, you have to go to the settings, and under settings you have to go to the recovery option. Just scroll down and you will find your recovery option, reset advanced startup, go back. Just click here and then you will find option, yeah, reset this PC, go back, advanced startup. So to roll back to the Windows 10 from Windows 11, you just need to click on go back. You just need to click on this go back option. Now here are 5 options. Why are you going back? So you have to provide the reason why you want to roll back to the Windows 10 from Windows 11. You just need to select any one of this and then click next button, and then you just need to click on no thanks, and then here you will find what you need to know. This might take a while and you won't be able to use your PC until it's done. Leave your PC plugged in and turned on. After going back, you will have to reinstall some apps and programs. You will lose any changes made to settings after the upgrade to Windows 11. Are your files backed up? This should not affect them, but it's best to be prepared. So before going to rollback, you must have to back up your files. That means some apps you have to reinstall after rollback to the Windows 10. So just click on next. Don't get locked out. If you used a password to sign into Windows 10, make sure you know it. You won't be able to sign in without it. If your PC is protected by password, then you must have to remember the password. Otherwise, you won't be able to log into the Windows 10. And then you have to click on next. And finally, you will get the options. Go back to Windows 10. This is the option. Thanks for trying Windows 11. If you end up missing improved search, security and startup, come back to Windows 11 anytime. And finally, you have to get this option, go back to Windows 10. Once you click on this go back to Windows 10 option, your PC restarts. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.